So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So part 2 of the CX-90 review here. So this is the all-wheel drive turbo. Well, the lower variant compared with the exclusive model. So I did a separate video of that. Check it out on my channel. Here at the front and at the rear, they look exactly identical to each other, but the biggest differences between both brands are here on the side profiles. Compared with the body color cladding of the exclusive, now you get conventional black cladding, but what I like, they kept the chrome strip over here along with the Mazda logo here on the rear door. And biggest differences too with the exclusive model, you still get 21-inch wheels. So parang this thing is still the same 3.3 liter turbocharged straight-six engine mated to a 48-volt mild hybrid system that produces 280 horsepower and 450 Newton meters of torque. So yet again, this one is mated to Mazda's take on the 8-speed automatic transmission without the torque converter itself. Even though with the 8-seater configuration now, the boot space is exactly the same. Yeah, that's pretty much here the exterior of this CX-90 all-wheel drive turbo. Let's check out the interior. So this is the interior of the CX-90 all-wheel drive turbo. So one more difference too on the exterior, the side vents where it says inline 6, this one is all blacked out compared to the exclusive brand. So here in the interior of this CX-90 all-wheel drive turbo, okay, everything is black. But I mean, it's still pretty good. It's still a Mazda. So here in the door card, pretty much same materials like with the exclusive variant. Of course, yet again, all blacked out now. And then the leather soft pads again is really soft like with the exclusive brand. And then you get, I have no idea what color is this. You can kind of get brown stitching all around the vehicle, even up here in the dashboard. So here too, you don't get the suede material anymore. This one is just leather, but still nice to the touch. And then here in the steering wheel, okay, exactly the same too. You get your phone connectivity buttons on the left side and then cruise control functions on the right side, and you still get paddle shifters over here. Oh yeah, and electronic adjustment for your telescopic function there. The paddle shifters are here. And then compared with this exclusive brand, you get one blank button here on the left side of the dashboard. And then all of your memory seating functions yet again are located here, not here on the door itself. And then here below the infotainment system. So yet again, these are dominated by two 12.3-inch screens for your digital instrument cluster and for your infotainment system. So yet again, hopefully, when there will be a display in the showroom or test drive of this, I will demo this all fully. So anyways, below here, you have two air conditioning vents. And then with the same amount of physical buttons here for your climate control. Same layout here in the center console, but this time you don't get the brushed aluminum trim anywhere. This one is like a diamond pattern layout. Looks a little bit weird comparing with the brushed one, but okay, it's still nice, I have to say. So same controls here with your swivel here, your gear shift, and then for your Mi drive over here, so it's chromed out too. And then in front you get a 12-volt socket with the same wireless charging pad yet again. Then glove box, okay, pretty much the same too. And then center console box, okay, two USB-C ports and the same amount of space too. And here now with the seats, it's all blacked out yet again, but this time at least you have the brown stitching along with the brown stripe here in the middle of the seat. So seems somewhat the same. Okay, still pretty comfortable to sit in. And then both front seats are electronically adjusted, which is good. And then above here you have your light controls along with the sunroof button yet again. Sunglasses holder, visor, vanity mirror with LED light rather. You know, next stand yet again, but it's fine guys, eh. So yeah, that's about here in front of the CX-90. So pretty much the same, almost the same like with the CX-90 exclusive. However now, the biggest differences now is at the second and third row, as you can see. So here now in the second row of the all-wheel drive turbo, so door cards pretty much the same like the ones in front. Still soft pads for your elbow, and then put you up again. Sunshade blockers on either side along with LED lights too. So you get two map pockets here too on either side, and in the middle you have two air conditioning vents, two USB-C ports, and controls again for your climate control. So this is the main difference now. You can fit an additional person here in the middle, and then yeah, the transmission tunnel is wide and tall, but you can put your feet up, no issue. And then sitting here in the middle might be a little bit, I don't know, it's actually pretty comfortable. Actually, the one for your back's a little bit softer because you have a central armrest over here now, which reveals two cup holders with flimsy grips. Space here in the back overall is pretty good. So feet room, knee room, and then headroom despite the sunroof. That is my space. Pretty impressive nevertheless. So you get two ISOFIX acro points on either side, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So one thing I missed too with the exclusive all-wheel drive variant, to get to the third row, you can pull this latch above here in this seat, or there's a button here with just one push. Oh, I forgot, this one's low bat, apologies. But you can do that too. So the layout is exactly the same like with the CX-60. So here now in the third row of the CX-90 all-wheel drive turbo. So pretty much the same feet room and knee room. That's my knee room, so and then headroom. Yet again, so like what I said, the third row will be perfect for small kids and adults like me. I'm 5'4" by the way. And same layout over here. You got two cup holders here and then two USB-C ports on either side too, along with your air conditioning vents right here below on your knees, which I never seen before. So yeah, that's pretty much it here with this CX-90 all-wheel drive turbo base model. So this one costs 3.6 million pesos. I'll just flash all the prices of the CX-90 variants here on screen. So like what I said too, with the exclusive variant, you get a lot for your money now. But which is the model I would take though? Okay, I'll be very honest. I'm a bit spoiled with the CX-90's interior. And remember too, you can get a white interior for that available for indent order. So sadly, you cannot option anything here more with this 8-seater variant. But although, I'll be honest, if I want to take my squad around the country, yeah, I think I will go for this 8-seater model. That's a no-brainer for me. And there's like 100,000 peso difference between both brands. However though, if I'm just driving with my mom, my sister, and then just carry a few more people around, I think I will still go for the exclusive variant. But then again, I see a market for this 8-seater variant. Yet again, if you want to carry your entire family around the country. So yeah, that concludes my walk-around tours of both CX-90 exclusive and this base model. So I'd like to thank everyone here again at Mazda Philippines for the CX-90 launch here at Rockwell. The lights just turned off, relax. So hope you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned hopefully soon for the test drives of this CX-60 and CX-90 models coming right up. Bye bye.